Anthropic's Claude Code source code just leaked. Someone found a source map file buried inside the NPM package, and it contained 512,000 lines of unobfuscated TypeScript. The full code base, publicly available right now on GitHub, the agentic loop, the tool list, the permission system, feature flags, A/B testing, all of it exposed. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what's inside and what it means if you're building AI systems. Let's go. Someone noticed that the Claude Code NPM package, the one you install to run Claude in your terminal, had accidentally included a source map file. A source map is a decoder ring. It turns minified production code back into the original TypeScript source. So overnight, 512,000 lines of Anthropic's internal code became public. It's now on GitHub. And here's what's actually inside. The query engine, 46,000 lines, that's the entire brain. The agentic loop, how Claude decides what tool to call next, when to stop, how it counts tokens, 40 tools. Everything from reading files and running bash commands to spawning sub-agents and managing teams of AIs working in parallel. And a full permissions system. Every single tool Claude can run has its own approval gate. But the most interesting thing I found? Feature flags. Via a service called GrowthBook. That means Anthropic is A/B testing behavior in Claude Code. Different users might be getting different versions of how Claude responds, without knowing it. And there's a bridge system for IDE integration, VS Code, JetBrains, that's bidirectional. Claude isn't just reading your code, it's actively communicating back to the editor in real time. This doesn't mean Claude Code is unsafe to use, but it does mean you can now read the exact instructions Anthropic gives it, what tools it has, what it's allowed to do, how the loop works. If you're building AI systems, this is the most detailed look inside a production agentic AI that anyone has ever gotten publicly. Link in the description. Follow for more AI system builds.